Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is the integral. We have the integral of cosine x to the power of 3 dx over 1 minus sine x. So I will show you the technique how to answer the question. About cosine x to the power of 3, we can separate them into cosine x multiplied with cosine x to the power of 2. Next, we need to use this formula. We have cosine x to the power of 2 plus sine x to the power of 2 equal to number 1. So then we have cosine x to the power of 2 equal to 1 minus sine x to the power of 2. So in here we change cosine x to the power of 2 into 1 minus sine x to the power of 2. Next, we have capital A to the power of 2 minus capital B to the power of 2 equals to A minus B multiplied with A plus B. So in here, we have 1 minus sine x to the power of 2. Number 1 just like about 1 to the power of 2. So you will get about 1 minus sine x multiplied 1 plus sine x. So we change again. This one we change in here. For in here. Now we have 1 minus sine x and 1 minus sine x. They will cancel together and you just got about cosine x multiply with 1 plus sine x dx. Next, we need to use about integration by substitution. So we will go about t equal to 1 plus sine x dt equal to cosine x dx. 1 plus sine x we change for t. Cosine x dx we change for dt. So we can get the final answer. That's about t squared over 2 plus c. About t, we need to change back to 1 plus sine x. And that's it about the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.